Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Simpsons Party Supplies is probably one of the most iconic and beloved franchises to ever grace our television screens, and what better way to celebrate a birthday, a special occasion, or just a Tuesday than by throwing a party themed around Springfield's favorite dysfunctional family. Imagine Homer chowing down on a donut, Bart pulling a prank, or Lisa playing her saxophone, all brought to life with vibrant decorations, tableware, and accessories that will transport your guests straight into the heart of the show. These supplies aren't just items, they're tickets to a nostalgic trip down memory lane, guaranteed to bring smiles, laughter, and maybe even a few, caramba, moments to your celebration, making it an unforgettable event for fans of all ages. Number 5. Juvale Donut-themed Party Decorations Kit. Get ready for a sweet celebration with our donut-themed party supplies. This set provides everything you need for a fun and festive donut birthday party, creating a delightful atmosphere for all your guests. Make cleanup a breeze with our convenient disposable plates and napkins. Simply enjoy your party and discard these decorations afterward, so you can focus on celebrating. Crafted from high-quality paper, these party essentials are built to last and look great. The vibrant donut designs add a playful and eye-catching touch to any event. This comprehensive set includes plates, napkins, and cutlery for 24 guests. It's the perfect choice for a memorable donut birthday party or any sweet celebration. Suitable for any occasion, from children's birthdays to adult gatherings, these decorations fit perfectly with donut themes or can complement other party styles. They are sure to be a hit with everyone. What we like. This set offers a complete package for a donut-themed party, ensuring you have all the essentials for 24 guests. The disposable nature makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you to enjoy the party without the stress of washing dishes. If you're looking for a convenient and visually appealing solution for a donut birthday or any sweet celebration, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Exactly what I expected and added a great flair to our party. Quality was good for paper items. The colors and quality were awesome. The plates are very good, they don't look broken, the forks you can't bend easily. Number 4. Bedwina Plush Donuts with Sprinkles, 12-pack. Get a pack of 12 super cute plush donuts, each measuring 5 inches in diameter. They come in 6 bright, assorted colors with stitched-on sprinkles for safety. These are irresistibly adorable and a guaranteed hit for any donut-themed birthday party. They add a fun touch without any of the sugar. With 12 in a pack, they're ideal for classroom games, filling birthday goodie bags, or as festive donut party decorations. Made with high-quality fabric and double-stitched seams, these toys are built to last. The sprinkles are securely stitched, ensuring no small, loose parts. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we'll make it right. These delightful plush toys are suitable for children aged 3 and up, offering safe and engaging fun. What we like. These plush donuts are incredibly cute and soft, making them a hit with kids. They come in a pack of 12, perfect for party favors or classroom games. If you need adorable and safe party favors or small toys for a donut-themed event, these are a sweet addition that won't disappoint. What people say. The sprinkles were so cute. The stitching and material is great for a plushie and made great take-home party favors, highly recommend. So much bigger than I thought but so perfect. They are so cute and super soft. Perfect addition to my kids' birthday party gift bags. Great quality and size. Colors are vivid and you get a lot for your money. Number 3. Dress Up America Donut Headband. Add a touch of sweetness to any outfit with this fun donut headband. It's the perfect accessory for parties or just for everyday fun. Looking for the ultimate donut-themed accessory? This headband is designed to bring a playful and delicious vibe to your look. Make your next party extra special with this delightful donut headband. It's a fantastic addition to any celebration, especially donut-themed ones. Enjoy comfortable wear with this charming donut headband. It's designed for fun and easy wear, making it a great choice for all ages. Complete your donut costume or simply add a whimsical touch to your attire. This accessory is sure to bring smiles and compliments. This headband is like a sweet treat for your hair. It's a unique and eye-catching accessory that's perfect for parties and dress-up. What we like. This donut headband is a fun and quirky accessory that adds a playful touch to any outfit. It's perfect for themed parties or as a simple costume element. If you're looking for a unique and eye-catching accessory to complete a fun look, this headband is a delightful choice. What people say. This headband is super sturdy and adorable. Cute donut headband for our Halloween costume. It fit my adult head comfortably. I purchased this headband because I work in a donut shop and want it to be extra cute. I've worn it many times for full shifts and it still held up great. Number 2. Blue Panda Pink Donut Party Tablecloths. Add a touch of sweetness to your celebration with these delightful donut-themed table covers. Their vibrant pink sprinkle design is perfect for any birthday or donut-themed party. Keep your tables safe from spills, stains, and scratches with these durable plastic covers. They ensure a clean and festive dining area for all your guests. Get creative and use them as a fun backdrop for your party. They add a playful touch to walls or doors, complementing your pink donut and sprinkle decor. Spend less time cleaning and more time celebrating. These disposable covers make cleanup a breeze, just wipe or discard after the party. Each cover measures 54 by 108 inches, fitting tables up to 8 feet long. They are ideal for both indoor parties and outdoor picnics, fitting any donut party theme. This pack includes 3 tablecloths, providing ample coverage for your event. They are a perfect addition to your donut party decorations and themed birthday settings. What we like. These tablecloths offer excellent protection for your tables, keeping them safe from spills and messes during your party. Their disposable nature means cleanup is quick and easy. If you're hosting a donut-themed party and want to add a pop of color while keeping your tables protected and cleanup simple, these are a practical and festive option. What people say. The plates are sturdy and hold a good amount of food. The napkins are vibrant and feature classic Simpsons characters. The cups are a good size and don't leak. Number 1. Simpsons Birthday Backdrop. Get ready for an unforgettable celebration with this vibrant backdrop. It's the perfect centerpiece for any cartoon-themed birthday party. This banner measures 5 feet by 3 feet, providing ample coverage for your party space. It's designed to make a big impact. Experience incredibly clear printing with bright, saturated colors that truly pop. The realistic details will impress every guest, especially the kids. Beyond birthdays, this decoration is ideal for family gatherings, school events, or any occasion needing a touch of fun. It's sure to be a hit. Crafted from high-quality, reusable polyester fabric, this banner is built to last. It's anti-wrinkle, easy to clean, and environmentally friendly. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance after receiving your order, please reach out to us for prompt support. What we like. This backdrop set features clear, bright printing with a durable polyester material that's reusable. It comes with balloons and toppers, adding extra value to your party decorations. If you're looking for a visually striking and long-lasting centerpiece for a cartoon family-themed party, this backdrop and accessory set will create a memorable atmosphere. What people say. Super cute, great quality, eye-catching party decorations. The cupcake toppers were the talk of the party. I loved this banner. It was a perfect decoration for my party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.